Before hitting the play button, did you remember to share this on your wall? Oh, great if you did. If you didn't, it's not too late, you can still do it. Please always remember, these videos are educational. They are designed to help as many people as possible, and that can only be possible when many people say it. If possible, all the prospective applicants for Jamb offering maths should see this video. So if you know or you think that they have not all seen it yet, then please hit the like button and share the video on your wall, because that could just make the difference between someone passing Jamb maths and failing it. And moreover, it doesn't cost you anything. So please share it. Thank you for sharing. Here comes your video anyway.
Our next question is question number 19. It says, the shaded area that gives the solution set for the inequalities x plus y less than or equal to 3, x minus y less than or equal to 3 is, and it gives a list of shaded diagrams from A to Z. So basically we have to solve these two inequalities to see which one satisfies these four diagrams. And so let's start. The first inequality is x plus y is less than or equal to 3. The second inequality, x minus y is less than or equal to 3. To solve this problem, we have to isolate the y in both inequalities into the linear form. Y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope or gradient and b is the intercept. Okay, now that we know this, let's solve for y. X plus y is less than or equal to 3. That is solving the first one. Y will be less than or equal to 3 minus x, and leaving it in the form of a linear equation, we will have y is less than or equal to minus x plus 3. This minus here signifies that the slope is negative. The slope here is minus 1, and it means that the slope is negative. The next inequality is x minus y is less than or equal to 3. To isolate y, we have to subtract x from both sides. So that will give us minus y is less than or equal to 3 minus x. And since we need y to be in a positive form like this, we have to multiply both sides by minus 1. So that will give us y. And when we multiply both sides by minus 1, the less than or equal to sign changes to greater than or equal to sign. So that will give us minus 3 plus x. And leaving it in the form of the linear inequality, we will now have y is greater than or equal to x minus 3. In this instance, the slope is 1 plus 1, and it is a positive slope. I will tell you the importance of why I stress both the negative slope here and the positive slope here. So let us draw our chart. So this will be our y-axis, and this will be our x-axis. And for the first inequality, the intercept, which in this instance is b, that's the point at which it crosses the axis, is plus 3. So we'll mark it 1, 2, 3. So that will be here. And because it's a negative slope always slopes down, where it's like this. while a positive slope slopes upward like this. That was why I was trying to highlight the importance of why this is a positive, negative slope and why this is a positive slope. So let's mark here 1, 2, 3. And since -1 is a negative slope, it will go down like this. And then let's go to the second inequality. It crosses the axis at -3. 1, 2, 3. And it's a positive slope, +1, so it will go like this. So to go on from +3 and go like this. So that's why it's a positive slope. Okay, looking at the first inequality now, y less than or equal to -x plus 3. So y is below the slope since it is less than. So y will occupy any space here and here. I'm looking at the second inequality, y greater than or equal to x minus 3. Since it's greater than, it's going to be above the slope, so we have this, and anywhere here. So since we are looking for the point where both of them intersect, because that's the point where that will satisfy the going back to our question, the shaded area that will give us the solution for both sets where both of them will intersect will be this space here that is shaded where both of them cross. And if we look among the options we have for the question, that will be clearly option B. So our answer will be B.
If you know or if you think that they have not seen it, then